Chinka, yes. In Singima.
Well, I happen to have a Kiumbe. I can authoritatively report that I have done the biggest as anti-Jiga as a Rosi.
To campaign.
My brother's keeper. We've done it for the last 12 years. Yesterday, na Chief Kulir Kugar. I can say that our government, they are not doing what they're supposed to do at all. As we could not see the biggest thing.
The impact.
They are not doing it anyway. Yani chinda chirusi muswati ego chinyinge like I can
chinka chinyinge, yes.
There is a news Morachete Maranaga I felt bad. 10 days chair 10 days chair exactly. Muswat Naro Kwetega Sakuru Kuirondi. She died a singing joke. Ye
Chindango Itachira.
To you, Nabokuana Kichire, but I want to promise Eric being the editor in chief. Now I call it breakfast was in Jamaica. Tochakogan, Mokiri Okurinyom, Lady Guchkuli, drawer.
Yes.
We go. Like, to my do say much about these people are dying singing ye Chinda. Chinda, Umatokotanga Ichiri, Osonga, Osongo,
Osongo Nero, Chiroro.
That was seeing Mankorke belt ye Chinda. Like, we seeing Yamira County, Kisi County.
Yes.
Inside go Bishop
Milimani,
sir. And Otire Milimani, Ogandochi, Oiko, Asakuro, Omulev, and then it's on Arabic Kumitenga, Ogana Sancho. You see, Chinda like you cannot believe me in a town. Kisi Central Ward. Are you getting that?
Yes.
Also, Jogonsa. Yankombaito, Amonosito, Arati State to Chimizipus, the word Chakawich in the Chingakich, Akini Jogo, Chaka stage meal. See my Sacro interest. You go Magari, Wikigetare, and then also one of the Rutiagatare, again the Pakairanda. Gona Idra Sacro Kenya Binge. Oh, yes, the Pakairanda. Iranda, Mundo de China, as a county to Ago.
Lakini nchiraro.
No chiriji nyinga bwana weta ide dere kwa tembe. Oganda bandu chi. Kitutu chache north, like kitutu chache south. Nchire hobe. Are you getting that? Na bonchari. But chindechi iko chiro chinyinge. Now tengo monto tiga chambuli ngai. Togende. Randa muri yabo big.
Why does it happen that chindechi chichire ase tie binyoro birangi ne town?
Nakini kubulina naki. The county nabayange kuamua kusibi. There is a time more first lady, the current first lady of the county. Back on the Ogoet. You guess na chata ngampia. Sometimes I will anything. Like a MPR. You cannot just start. Okay, I'm going to if talk again the interest, it was to be about 30. Abantu abo matekero kwa dosibichinda tuliko kwa dosibichindo bate
enyumba yes
otaka igoro barake and then chinde chiga iko chikobera that whatever chinde chichikoba mostly one asamarwale
amaru
asamarwale na sigete obotaka lakini asamarwale nango batego no chiri chinyinga and then people will ask you just ask you Mkate. Even the mirror pakabon. Go to my Facebook account, Mkate and just Tirimkaga. Even the mirror. These things are there, and then the county government could have public health. Public health.
Yes.
Amariogo, ebwata ba bisabaroro ekuri kabanto people are just seated in office
Wako nyole mishahara.
to me if nyomo auditorium ngebo weta audit TV to the in fact these people should be fired with immediate effect. Why should someone add the public health the public health officer generally went quite like these things. In a singing God has done me good. We would have done. The last one to about the Yarengina Tieko. We had a number of 60.
60
members. But Regina.
Yes.
So around Regina, one Babulate and the Kurku Evianda. You see that? About Tavaiga, Chiangabato Canichin, Babati Guru, Babati. And then those are the zones Chicoganda, who's going to Mira County, Mira County, Chakra, a ward named Tuangega, Camera, Namanga. If we go camera get Chakra Kurua, Mogonchoro, or I think it's a diamond, as a Samuel Amatiang, who are my closest friends. It's going to sacro quenta and primary. Can you imagine Abana Eric? I know you cannot agree. Umwana alire chinda school. Wana bali mu school teachers were in this school. You na mukwana bana tobabwatsi ku kigali abana bali chinda school. Yani umwana agocha ndanu mate njogo mora egari.
Kabo chanchageri.
Abo umara.
Yes.
Like ana kimira yana da na kara sagabu entanda gabu chikuru gabu. And then manga ochakera maneke. Egari that. Manga, if we had a chance to work in a IC, she could tell you like what we're supposed to do. I'm planning Karamboga because this one nothing to talk next week we have to go. I got to write evidence. I got to have said into Abana Basinini.
Yes.
It's not it. What they were doing yesterday, Babu Atamanto Sebabiri, are all public health, public health office, a commission. They are the Asomontoyo.
Kurase County.
These guys should go to media houses. What do you think? Tago tuara ego that you are having ego. Why should you have? We expected abantu alibabe no emi attack. Agara ebe a crisis.
Yes, and aria banta bange baramanye nganchira roro.
These people, they should go into accounts. They ask, where are they really? Fadari kisi yabuga, namirangi yabuga tabo, want to call, kisi njabuga te kegogi. And indeed, and Samuel Yamaran kegogi. Avantarari, now they are Sibu said, Changere, Koyan Kurga. But you can like a month what happened here was in Sunega. Chinda iko chigo kina chi enda na be takoli asi chise chire chimboli chire kwa
yes
amache ayo monta vitero so mchi kwa koje ali no chigo bride so monta ali gaiga bana ba vitera amache kwa so na bandu ba vitera amache nyonga na geso na gali santo ba vitera amache nyo enda teranyora amanyinga can live with that during. Okay to that?
Okay.
So we've done studies of Manyanga, what is happening. But the reality is Busi, Chinda Chiroro, Igoro, Chitand. I'm proud of Omanyagitariano. Dr. Glory, Dr. Gloria Mari. She is part of this team. And this team, Akaro Agocha, Akaro Erang, go to Etania. The top of the Sibichinda at the Sibichinda and the Bintavin, Era go Charlie ne Chidi Woma. One was two sad stories, Kisi Jones. The Umunganare, Potambara. That when we went there, Mungnoyo, Tagotena for 2 minutes. You got Tagotena for 2 minutes. I sing Enjo, Chinda, Chimoriete, there are thousands. Allow me to say this. In a blood that. Bono Tianco Vichi Yagar, Mungnoyonga, Chinda Chimoriet, everywhere.
Bakobosio.
Kwego. Yani chimulite everywhere. Takinga abantu abanyakuru mwaba. I tell you, Matilda, if I take you there, so we do not need you. I got to you observe. And then very Bamosivi, Kerbamusivili, Manico, Cordial, but deep, Bamo, and soft things chili. You gonna go every time buy a kidney, like you go just sponge chili.
Sponge.
So Bamuake Eliogeli, Rabamuake Eliogeli, Kusanavak. So in your team that you could allow me say, catching some chance. Mongoyo, I got sorry, motulate now. Kawita Timbara Kini Babu at Keno and Cat King get record. More chief narrow, assistant chief narrow. More is not ambal. Let's talk with these people. Churches are there. Chicken Sanjiro, Jonas, Chicken Tajigo, Martin Muris, Kini Kansati, as an enemy Chikonga. Eric, churches are closed here about God Chicago. You go say, praise God. Which God?
It's a dagangoro.
Which God? Moko kanyo about the moment about Menyete, God they are no aye. One of the things this is it. Kanisa kimogochia ekarabantu banyasai baguko. And then mungoyo yaninga chinda chiarire ebichara bakabyari.
Yes.
I am talking something that we get. Again, thank you. Like chinchara chiarirwe paka echiamagoro ne chibi paka chiabere.
Monungu.
And then anama ote oak ali. Ano mongoyo. And I know. Akamo igatuna nkaliga sinini. Akando.
Enda.
Yanyago. Did you sleep? Akamo.
Turkurara.
Bono, nyaya muturkurara go itege bana nende ngago seno na ego kolibo tukubuka mambe yo kia baraki
yakira mugasoterio. Yes.
Na hande botu ko nande koreke. So one of the things yesterday the counties, both counties,
enough.
They did nothing. That is shameful. Alright, man, when you could see Paco permanently that way. While we have thousands of families. Commissioner, regarding a good dispatch, Maran. And I want to Iranda. Yes, the government has not a as a community. Yes, could get in Kayazoni and a necrotic. Ebeka Sabu Avant Parole. To me, if I could be the nine Kotuare access or say government, one of the things we expect no roll out a program like free from jiggers, county government. Yani,
a serious campaign.
A serious campaign.
Yeah.
After a few days, Tanyoang of Songo was a Kisi County to buy. Yamira Boyko, tell me why should the county government receive funding? And I talk about what funding? Special programs. Sarkani watch message. Why can't it allow this money? Chichi credit to me. Tedibuya, Tedi Bobe, Kowaka na Namantuari partners, the partnership day.
Hello.
Even to be given to Babuate access now. Because when to get a list of those people who are working in that. Namantaba, who are there, Babuan Pekokora, Molina, Kyombegete, Kora Kirigente, King. Okay. Avantava, are they real? Goes no watcher or Barangel, goes no Jana near the Tosa Desraka. Tanganaki, God, can you give us whatever to that Kovabico to Sechira? We benefited sometime. Sleep out and then the Kego. gwetera so muntu urenge gocha ogenda ara access manyu muntu akwa wirik ebintu funding lakini tamaite sabaraki
akoira
bos tukaga agacha katulunga let kwanaga and then we went tukarwa at least chibintu biriwe atokanya mayoga tu imugeti kurwa sana na mande paka karaita kwa era bozo kota waito eriki ngocha ra materi kinga 1500 anje tingo kwa taron ko mor kia singochi ande ta ko ichiru ber because I don't think is it real to again China. So one thing that what the government yesterday did nothing. What you could see the entire nation in fact no national media houses they did not even highlight. There was another day celebrated yesterday. Bakai highlight more than this thing that is killing. Chinde chikaro chikobeka abana bankoko nyorogo sibi twarachire na meya nyangeso meya gwikariere erore obera gali orera akorera muno mwana literally erore go chikunyu gali gotebe nkora togenda panko tukocha he is bad tadia siginjo twamu wa sara kenigas he is mad. Why is this thing happening? And then tukocha kokaiga omuntu libina bano mu na gweresa kero mwa musibiri mombe kireli yogaliri chinda chiri chiko akako bekireli chiko ba hyper for 5 to 7 minutes chiro chiko nyala chire bono na bakwigwa kaboro after 5 minutes chia chaka kwa bono chia badosa chia kwechi kwa bono. So what will happen mutale ndiki mo redo limuga na ba ko kwa machari muntu kamoga no muntu kusiro muntu magedira yani umurwairo yega with your client mwana mwamusira mwamusibi then orara kokali morus mubeke mumubeka taramu ake chichoka chirireno wana chewa chisabuketi sabuketa matara yaka abakonyoro nandari abana bari muna hoteli nzira mostly abana
tokubatiganchara
tokubatiganchara kero moko gato switchina moko na switchina to
mobile sabuni. Yes.
So you have to be there early enough. Kero machira early enough. Abantu bandi ba amakonyora abanye abenyeji. So cheap labor ge goto. Banye abanye ne bamanyi. Atenga ndeteke bose. Kaike mwanya na benkaro. Chiba serek 500. No koma 500. They do very fast. Kiaomo abana ngune ko basibi bari mo ko kirege mo ko basibi kimashini njiro tokogana chiro chiri konyara gobate tukeme
Baringero
it happens. West Mugirango mheshimiwa one Diego Stimulak. Your zone is bad. I can tell you your zone is bad. Is bad. Nsaiga siro platunzali. Say it's bad. That is one
Mr. Eric Abuga. Ninki omanye tegoro yechinda.
Okay. Karango kinda. Lakini dasa nganya nsiongo wala constituency. Chinda njaga tolire baide. Lakini chiarenge nacho ngachiarenge chingia. We used to enjoy kaende okoli. Wachikoro usiku. Aida no moibori no monta monene. The process ere kaende okoli matokolara butuko baide. Inenda mekuliete ase kiara. So I'm trying to imagine like chinza mkata kwa nasanga chinda njitire gusi. Mkata wera akole gasi for a long time maybe. Atukurusia bantu chinda all these processes. But here bagusia bange they don't believe nga chinda njitire gusi. But truth is neti nyinge chini. Yesterday function yare nge kitu chache north. It's a county event yare ngoro. Yeah, anti-Jigas campaign. The truth is nga chinda njiro. Hawa nta bange mbawa the chinda. As Mukata is saying, people rate this issue no botaka. Nakongonyoro monto mete nyomba aide sempama nse permanent au kwa the chinda. So abanda bange kwa the chinda mama sinyebe charity ya maraba. Choko. Anda bange na bataka sana. So ende megocha ya kwati akabere mpaka kwanyoranga magora very deformed because ye chindeji. And from the figures ekorokina abanda bange bakure because ye chinda. there's a ready mong na geto last week o imukata bale ngao konye nyaka gosira but they are saying ne chinda cha moita. So it's an issue ke monda bande karanse stakeholders must be bande karanse but discuss how to eradicate mchande ye chinda as a usi as a whole kalingana nsema but usi yos na benge issue ya marugusi monda ta marutayo murunendagira but marunaro na naitira banta wange. So the same way to go din issue ya maru the same way to come out to din issue ya chinda. Yes.
Mbia mono sana na ndi na wateri body chinda na chinsona.
Okay. Chinsona. The na chichi na bu the prime na bu abana be chinda. I live in that. Emoli na ngombe. So chinsona ni chimoli chichinda. Enda chikunywa manyika. They can karachia vile nyingi na chikunywa manyinga. Umuntu bado umuntu nabako ba mad.
Uko be balimo.
P ndo cha kupana because the supply of land nyingi yako gani. Karwa in biology kitgo mwalimu nere lakini kingo nyoro tenga. Ekaro egento kia soire asigete egento kwa libere ya chasari is supply of gent body min debinge biaga nda bia chikukiria asakartaki asali. So ekaro inde usomo bere mategi it's an external thing. So umobere ngo concentrate yuri guchiari esa sendero sikukuna igana bokwe gulibere ranatiki
recover. So
karako kande go so ya within 3 days. So they have a mature one ya rosiri mega. Mega one it's the lava stage to kwateka mako baraki mako. So mundo bwate chinda wesikumurienda to urigere y'umuntu abakando urigere toromuka so akire. Asali chinda chimuriete gakuriga mura ekarari gamuire kona rubo mtogorabu bongo like kabibingo bosi. So those are china magana akongire awe bwando chiko bachina ono gago drop ku rugari agwa nose
na eko wete ko wikaransoro
yako kwa kire kobensona ensona can stay somewhere for a long time keganya the prey. So what picks chinda bon ku rugari esese chikana free yegocha yagwaterere esese kusangombe gose ogul ali te konyora because takiro soyi abe koro makurusko yaganda komenyera na tebna majana be kwanda komenyera. So na bachigo siaru then ase vumbiere vumbi ona bu naro
Yobuse.
So how do you kill them? Chigo no tatebe no lire china minto. These are family.
Yes.
Chitonya chigenda gali chichi chimachu. Chiganyete the next spring. No gana chigunya watari because da wajero kuruga pakali. Kan imagine chigo charo kulikuwa.
Yes, ona. Ego taroka.
Ego taroka kuruga like more than 3 meters. Kare habirigo. Na kibona karoka raiga potem ko yubugata. To ko yubugata na menge karombet. That is the same family. Ego charo kuruga nande karako. Mostly monto tari sites maisa tari mata okukar. Ngange karombet kirike mwa. So abe ko gan rutia. So jinsu ne jigam na totanga ekaro chigocha ya soire after 3 days. Ya rosiri mega na rekoba.
Chinda. Mkate bono tutebe asichi family chiri chibwate chinda chitari ko affect mwana ko nyoro mwana bwate kusena amakoro abantu babiri batoto babwate ase umuchi nzira kichira nyare ko sengenjo serikali nesto anani tari chinka chonsira chigo ikera ekero kwanro mwanchi umurigirire na kyara nyare ko keya chiri chinke chiraso umuchi chiri chira nyare ko ba controlled
one enda kenda tote bambo chiba bando na vyama ibuka kusevyo mbembele bigocha iribita kero karaki bigocha kuchita bantu bande bagocha omanyanga nko kenda sibyo muntu olia one karagocha koro kuruchinda ogo sibyo kubo why kwa chi expose karwa chi expose ri nogo sibyo ogo chabo baraba mate monta sendeliete to ukuna
asike
What's that for? Infection.
Ana kwanza ni oyolire ya sali yani ago ya protect na banga surwa to monta uko so to uko so banda mo kan sibi the most clear machari warm. Siving over, with a lot of love. I've seen people do that.
Yes, I was thinking.
So Masiviga, she exposed deeper moral serious. You want to go on a man for Kermoko, and then I can watch it exposed. I'm a bit tired. That's the time of the tire. Now we connect the Zinakufa.
Yes.
And there is more. I was exposed or up to get the of the tire in a kufa. And then Tao Tanga Tiana Yitamaiko Evekera, of the tire. Boom is already ischemia. So, again, talk about what I chin chirichiro. One, about practice hygiene. Now, then, chin that chiri pakin permanent. I don't know, I think I chin that chiro or a chikorga. But no moon, they know, I'm the new summa. About to buy Barangas Kugawa, Rojanta Pesca. About Kumbaliga, when I want to get the cheatage.
Oh, Conero.
Eva Danga Cone. But in reality, before we do that, to Tom the Diga, or Gambara, we've come with God. Koram Wigan and Modioka, I know the end. Wigan and Modioka. Under Mundo, what the TV, I can go Coradative. Wigan and Modioka. So, the walk over every one in another. One in another, so, and your chin than a kichi with Tottenham. At a certain age, at a certain age, maybe their bladders is strong. So imagine about what they are not. So never in your permanent chin ditch, never chikova, and our chikova are bleeding site. So what do we do? To actually disinfectant chicken as low as 50 to 100. But very permanent, your permanent houses. Spray Sabaka Dakunchu, a kid so chin ditch chihuahua. Practicing hygiene, no cover safi. You don't need a lot. No kobeka to escare ngombe. In fact, no marawa. It doesn't matter ngani marawa kaiga or correct or man. Akakuwa mire always karokuwa buse nyumba yao. Always karokuwa buse nyumba yao.
Siara maji.
Jita get macha and again. Jita get margin chirochia. That is why I dry. You will find that things are not okay. My brothers and sisters are not similar. My Tabantu, and never are the best people. They are the best because they are true. Koromondo or Setabati Yanga Kobika, Rakin Koranga, or you, Amaruat, these things are not affecting him. I don't want to know United. Again, they check over the again.
I get a Corara.
Rari, Aroma de Chimuliete,
Chimoveronari.
Ono in fact, getting care Chigo color. Again, one of the things we practicing hygiene. And this is a community issue. Not
that you would get Chinga asking in Chinke, you never want to much. Abanya Kenya went away so give I
Keromont Umontana tenda initially Kare Tarakina was got to Kinete, and tobacco give Chinto. Into a geroid, Chico, like Chico Sam, Zinaka Sum. Good, and the baba is the Mbier. Korea Vede, Korea Sambiru, a carriage Kovikurua, a Kobe Suma Sachir. That's simple. I see. Hakim it's so painful to Amantuna. So, how do you do this? No, take okay. Akaromonto, Okobekachi, Ochveka, Omonto, Ririchin, Kumvekra, Matari warm. He is friendlier, he responds, Wachasul. Abanambarobake. Manale, now the one watch. At 4 years, Manoyo, Tara Agura. 4
years, Emiakene. Yes.
Mando you chirbono grade 1 yaroti. Lakini Manoyo, that enda ya big doche chincharichi. Chia koiri paka ya chiro. I get that. And then, Kinyureka Batumbaro. Kinyureke, Amantumbaro, Baraba Nene, Baba Woleti, Obolemo, Obongo Bole. Nango jirata abantu bandi banachukwanga laana kivyao. Ugo cho montabuga tamali nina ni. Lakini kwa nyoranga even number it's not that. Okay. So one of the things without that guy go enjoy in wana baba tajiri na go enjoy
ndai kero muriete iki agasukiri kwanya koyagi
ayo go enjoy
na ndabande bakwirira nga kero kende kero umuntu gwatokire kubwatinda nga ekineke kone te umaitinga umuntu ngwanda uri gwikaransa ase kwanyara yakubwatire
but there is a kusiga ta umuntu dire ndamaga umuntu ini tajiri
nabo riri bori yo naraote banga chinda no bonda no nyemi yenda na bate ngo no bonda
hata no bonda ukonvinzi abantu nga chinda uko litari bo the truth is chinda uko linekere because na uchigo salia magoro pina uchigo salia biara kire ntuna na uchigo itoku
even you walking stuff
your works they can change getting awanda talking na bono iga ntomaite impact ye chindage by the take it like angane joke nga chinda nege ntukira no mo but kitarike ntukira no mo by the anza kwa neme chinda chire na bokolera
I want to go ngantira mole tumeke chibi chegete chire chinko mwake asi go ngantira mole tumeke chekyo chibeke onea
mo director to Avila Kariri na chego chibeka kwa screen erinde
katoga taterik to tele
so the discussion should center on now na kutoka eradicate chindage kurugusi of course injira la chama kanyenjira but how do you eradicate such an incident kurugusi etakira abantu abwatirana the way Mukata has been doing it for some time abantu bacha mabwatirana bachirusi asebinyoro but you see now what activities chiko kaenda cheers via abantu bali
cheers via yo mo babere
lakini now who does the house muntu osi wa magoro the evening when back to the house same house as in chiri so ndika chikora kuri nyomba because tari para chiri nyomba chiri kandi chikora kuri nyomba gari so the issue should start from like you will solve issue yobo menya bantasa menyete anyora magacha maya banyarubura ruburungi so how do you start it muntu amata konyara gintu kiri serikali ukati konyara gintu kiri kwa muntu akonyomaru nonye the living style amenyete ne nkongu no mukata banyomba koma na mara bari ntike race yes pati abantu ambategete koma sinyombe chipeti nyomba chindonge tari trust was nyomba jire permanent abantu abangi the majority was nyomba cha maraba chichoko so the start point the turning point itake koma ngaki tana tama sinyombe chibe the living standards itakeire osairi chinde chiri abno mukata bwana bachakira
yes
hivi ndiye mukata ngo Kristo nini biche baadaye
amangana yuko saveru
amaro saveru ase baadaye
chindango kana rutire
osa ro muntu mete chinda gatimi osa ro mubyo gandeta koiba na kiago chinji motenga kiyo koiba onale gasimo ino gaiga na bego konya osa ro muntu kwa chinda aende nyo onche kanza marago bosa beru sema ambio saveru marago wanda back to the same place as chinda chi na kiago konya so that will change from okamenya ukuya abantu besi burungi
ni chichanga chinda chichanga
tumana ro mbaka abantu bakuru abantu bazi ku mitumba bari kumara goto lakini ukonya chira korole so menyo ngole angeli ya wetu basichinga o menyo mbeli ya one skip na mukata bone kwendelie chiombe ngo change yes
chinda chichanga chiro cho okoigwa nganchiro hororo
kwanya kwara
yaganero rekane
enda ye chianga it's a thing bueno rende chiro chimonya ko kara chire ngeke kwa by the way chinda chianga chiko kea ni omo the use of omo and powder no
powder soap
chinda chianga chiro lakini chire chinga you see ono ge kere kenge nowadays ni jinzuri you see jinzuri chiro chinawo chikubwata no nyine inchoko nyoranga wete kware egutiro chika
jinzuri jinsono chinsona
digana jinzuri ora inchoko chikwa no tanga gari gete irikito kwana gari gete ne buyasa kunga ko digete ne buate chianga the same thing amache no twate banga ya macha yaba amwanya bantu ikona same fulani yogo ki lakini cho chiakire no kumontate ngakero ko sine chinde chiga ko ine krichianga chiri emi use powder natu mekauma yakana omonero ye igo no musi so what will happen here mostly nege chinde chi igo chiroro na chiro jamanto kete babugate so unaona tunakaa pamoja litokorai mkatoka tasega yetu ige ado tambuka kuruga chua new
host
yes ere host bona
yaro ya tigara na sikiro
ya moino gambi ya sent biego karakurwega yarwa yacha moina wega na wego chia vera gago asinye chukuma na ki yanyu akeo yatia are you see that so eji tawachigo so hapo ketuki then chaweka ekwende kwa chaweka maganabo then chiagenda lakini kwa hizo zimepungua hiyo ntoma yatamana yaketekete ni chinsuli ni chinda echo chama kwa sichumbe lakini hizo ni chache ndiziro chichake abantu boneka abangengo basibali chianga chianga
yes
ko basikoliwa konyere
nogo so kichanga se una wate womo
aso iyo gokonye lakini ndate abantu nabona irikabite shatingi achika so omo ambi no fanya tepele you see that so again those are the things I would say keremo but na kwa kwanje kibi chanche nta korke bantu kuruga na bateri chinde chimungo chiroga abantu kwego sabari bo tunatoa tahadhari mapema
chibi cha usene video
video mo no nda ko kibi choka ande chiko teme ko echi ko pa chibwate watermark ya brothers keeper ana to teme kichini chiabo catches
nabo guchisha chase enamba ya bisi
nda ko mara kuchiali na nda ko mbekera kurga like who you will see to mongina na harago okay factory ko back na egoto gota na jishaba kwanza kachibi kuligereri
chibicha chirebo siago
chiri
onye koro monto kwegosa ne tori moremo
aringa sie kama to egera to
tuba maiso
yo tuba maiso
abuga nase abana abechi sukuru bono ekero konyoranga aboroki wabaiga anene muno chisukuru chiga che serikali okonyoranga abana abaiga bakurwe meche bwate chinda no bako kenda chisukuru chikiagera na kero kenna chiba waford konyoranga chi amagacho ento kirena konanga chi building injire chitari complete as chisukuru una ase nale nasomete eskuru yarenge hall lakini yatabekire verandanse ya wate ebuse wono naboko gende sebuse eri
ne breed
yes woko roro wacha konyoranga inki kiarage kororera ase bona ase chiskuru kira nyale kwanera
no katwangu kina se miaka yetu ne miaka ya mkata wono hiyo wanda bange posoma the public schools actually in the initial stages tosoma the school ya serikali boarding schools and private schools cha baadaye you could count the number of boarding schools chairing under the government so schools nyingi chairing public school and then you could relate like kama mwana goje school kwa the chinda akaba tamda zo mwana mpumu taka so ikagetse kagenda and chinda kama tukale makoro chinda chairing cha abana chairing cha abantu banene but miaka yetre mekeigo kaya abantu abana bakwate chinda so it becomes a bad example as abana bakwande school but in every sense ibintu bya change okone wabona iga abantu abanene na bakwate chinda lakini abana bakwande school ano kose senje amasomo sasenje yake mbagwate chinda chiri but in the real sense when to instill that kind of an civic education as abana bakwande school batenga ki kwa kwandaka somi abaiboli ngachinda ni chimbe that's 1 2 kada bana school bake basomigu about the effects ya chinda yes the government saying chinda related to poverty but there are number ke basombe batabunga the effect ya chinda ne kada bakwande binyoro basomi ali baba
Yes.
So it's a cycle when they complete from more Bible abana na ne school to monta bwende kosomi to monta monga to ende binyoro to walia bagakosera abana bote chino nini abana bako ne school basomi na chinda ne chimbe bakaenda ka basomi Bible bako.
Yes. Mbia mono sana nase breeding grounds ama agacho naro konyoronga no itundu bali neri agachire tigira abana bago tabanya gotie na ime kwanyoronga mwana ochibwato tigira ororo abande bacha baimoki.
So the breeding ground for chinda na mkatateba nesi nyumba chitacha kachire bobe nyumba cha maraba na kugonyo monto menyete nyombere permanent gwate chinda. The same way example I'm giving na kungonyoro mwana ole boarding school ose school gwata magacha maronge the permanent structures
kabwate chinda
kato asomete kale school singe chenge cha maraba actually. Okay, na chumba cha kachi school ya kachi chire permanent chi fro cha we cha lenge e cha maraba. So kama mwana wa mago cha school gwate chinda chena ji breed within the system, within the school settings.
Unomra kero
is unomra kero bana ga ndata na iga chia breed within the school setup abana bande basinyora ba ide metika. So amaga tandakira be improve this school na image school cha ga chia maraba itake be eradicated ko reduce the breeding grounds for chindage. Yes.
Mbia mono sana mkate imanyanga evicha chiago chanyalire goika erinde tunyare gosika gochase enganeri
na karanga ndatu kwana karanga ndatu ko batebi in buneri katebana school chinde ai njeng ko fel ingike ko na bono aboard ego to kasi school inki aboard ego kora as school when kuwate
amagacha akwamete abwate buseme
inki uyabuya inki okara ai gabna ya muntu report tore chipot tore kagweta weta korengera ri chingate wale chibije chito adenga ne choko boy abana bali moyo karwaka uchiamo tutwabe kangi satu iganke chichira tukonya chia courtesy of better brothers keeper Kenya na chichi kutumeka gabo so kwa chota mati chiri kire gabo so they are there because it's singing to ya banyami